Have you ever wondered how a document written centuries ago can remain as a cornerstone of justice and governance in our rapidly evolving modern world? The interpretation of a nation's foundational document by its courts is shaped by several powerful factors, including established legal methodologies, the specific historical context surrounding its creation and application, evolving societal values, and the individual philosophies and experiences of the judges themselves. The core mechanism behind this complex process involves judges weighing different approaches to understand and apply the Constitution's text. Legal methodologies like originalism, which seeks to interpret the Constitution based on its original public meaning at the time of its adoption, or textualism, which focuses solely on the plain meaning of the words, provide structured frameworks. In contrast, approaches often grouped under the umbrella of living constitutionalism view the document as adaptable to contemporary issues and societal changes, considering current social norms and policy implications. These differing philosophies provide the intellectual lens through which legal principles are analyzed. To understand this utility in practice, consider a few key influences. The historical context, for instance, delves into the specific circumstances, debates, and understandings prevalent when a constitutional provision was drafted and ratified. Judicial precedent, known as stare decisis, plays a crucial role by requiring courts to follow previous rulings on similar issues, ensuring consistency and predictability in the law. Furthermore, the broader societal values and prevailing public sentiment, though not directly dictating outcomes, can subtly influence how judges perceive justice and fairness, especially in cases where the text is ambiguous or open to multiple interpretations. Beyond these, an insider detail in constitutional law is the concept of a judicial philosophy. This refers to a judge's consistent approach to interpreting the law, often rooted in their legal training, personal beliefs, and political outlook. It is not about partisanship, but rather their deeply held views on the proper role of the judiciary and the scope of governmental power. For example, some judges might lean towards judicial restraint, deferring to legislative bodies, while others might favor a more active role in protecting individual rights or upholding constitutional principles against perceived government overreach. Ultimately, recognizing these diverse influences helps us appreciate that constitutional interpretation is not a static mechanical process. Instead, it is a dynamic human endeavor where careful legal reasoning, respect for history, awareness of societal impact, and individual judicial perspectives all converge to shape the very meaning of our fundamental laws, ensuring they remain as relevant and just for generations to come.